Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from tasteasianfood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a vegetable curry Malaysian Chinese style. You know, people who like to eat meat always think that vegetables is tasteless. But I'm convinced that you will be submitted to this incredibly delicious vegetable curry prepared by a myriad of herbs and spices. Let's take a look how to do it. You can get the recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. We'll begin with making the curry paste. These are the ingredients: ginger, candlenuts, onion, garlic, some lemongrass, some fresh red chili, galangal, and some dry chili. Cut all these ingredients into small pieces so that it is easy to be blended with the food processor. This is ginger, candlenut, and the garlic. You can just put it into the food processor straight away. As for the onion, cut it into large chunks. As for the lemongrass, cut away the stem and remove the outer shaft, the first layer, then cut it into slices. As for the red chili, remove the stem and then cut it lengthwise and use the knife to remove the pith and the seed. And then cut it into small pieces and put it into the food processor. If you like the curry to be more spicy, add 1 or 2 of these kind of dry chili. Cut it into small pieces and throw it into the food processor. Lastly, the galangal. The outer part of the galangal is quite hard and fibery. Cut it away, otherwise it is quite difficult to blend it into a smooth paste. Cut the galangal into thin slices so that it is easy to blend. Now we have all the ingredients for the curry paste inside the food processor. Cover it. Add a little bit of oil to facilitate blending. And blend it until really smooth. You may add some water if you find that it is too dry. It will take about 5 or even more than 5 minutes to turn it into a smooth paste. When 5 minutes is up, transfer the curry paste into a pan. Saute the curry paste over low heat until all the water has evaporated. After some time, and what is left now is only the herbs and spices and the oil. And now it starts to thicken. From now on, you have to keep stirring it because it tends to stick easily. After the curry paste turns aromatic, now we can move on to the next step. Now let's prepare the vegetables. You can use any vegetables you like, but today I'm using the vegetables that is commonly used by the Malaysian Chinese for this recipe. This is called snake bean, which is a variation of long bean and French bean. Next, eggplant. You can use the Chinese eggplant that is long, it's really up to you. And a stick of carrot. And I also include tofu puff in the recipe. If you do not have tofu puff, substitute with any other kinds of firm tofu. Cut the tofu puff into 2. Lastly, I also include some cabbage in the recipe. Now let's get back to the curry paste. Heat it up and add half a cup of fresh coconut milk. And also vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable stock, you can just use water, or you can add some vegetable seasoning powder. Bring it to a boil and add the turmeric powder, curry powder, the kaffir lime leaves, a few pieces of kaffir lime leaves, and curry leaves. If you find it is too thick, you can always add some additional vegetable stock or water. And you can season now with sugar and salt. Now we add in the vegetables, starting from those need more time to cook. The carrot, the cabbage, simmer until both vegetables start to turn soft. Next, the eggplant and the beans. Cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Then add the tofu puffs. The tofu puffs are always at last because it is already cooked. Once it's done, remove and serve. Do not cook any longer because the vegetable will then lose the vibrant color. This is the Malaysian Chinese style vegetable curry, best to serve along with plain rice. This is how I prepare the vegetable curry Malaysian Chinese style. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until the next video, I'll see you again. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.